We at Amagi address billions of ad opportunities on connected TV, thanks to our Dynamic Ad Insertion solution, Amagi THUNDERSTORM. With Amagi THUNDERSTORM, you can deliver seamless and personalized ad experiences at scale. Our advanced server-side ad insertion technology helps deliver a smooth, TV-like experience with stitched-in stream ads. With Amagi THUNDERSTORM, content publishers and free ad-supported streaming TV platforms can boost their ad revenues. Our solution also helps you monetize VOD content by serving mid-roll, pre-roll, and post-roll ads. In fact, you can deliver targeted pre-roll and mid-roll ads even during live sports watched by tens of millions of simultaneous viewers. Apart from ad insertion, Amagi THUNDERSTORM also supports dynamic brand placements within video streams. Now, let's take a closer look at how Amagi THUNDERSTORM serves as your effective tool for dynamic ad insertion. To start with, the 24/7 web platform allows us to add channels in less than 30 minutes. A versatile solution, Amagi THUNDERSTORM supports a wide range of OTT platforms, players, and devices. It is compatible with all the leading ad servers and allows you to source ads from any ad network for server-side ad insertion. Amagi THUNDERSTORM supports industry-standard ad insertion triggers such as SCUDDY and DTMF. In their absence, it leverages Amagi's patented watermark and machine learning-based solution to automatically detect ads, and ensures up to 95% accuracy in ad detection and replacement. What's more, with automated service monitoring alerts, you can nimbly identify and resolve potentially critical issues. The added advantage you get is access to real-time data and sharp insights on audience behavior and ad network performance, so you can confidently strengthen your content and ad strategies. Curious to know how Amagi THUNDERSTORM works? Here you go. With Amagi THUNDERSTORM, you can shape a winning content and ad strategy. Amagi THUNDERSTORM. Let it drive your content and ad strategy.